Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So today we are going to start different types of AC unit. We will learn about different types of AC units and its applications, as well as different types of brands, origins, and technical specification for that AC. So before I start this video, I would like to request you all guys, please to subscribe my channel. If you are still not subscribed, so please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload the video, you will get the notification of that video. So let us start now. As you can see, here is the first AC is window AC, and this AC is generally using in a small office, a small warehouse like porta cabin and all, and kitchens like, or small rooms as well. So you can see this is the carrier brand AC unit, okay, and the types of AC unit is window AC, and this is also called a small package, okay, so mini package AC, because in the package AC the outdoor and indoor, that means evaporator and condenser coil as well as compressor is enclosed in a closed casing, that is called package unit. And also here in the window AC, everything is enclosed in a closed casing, that is called window AC, mini split or mini window. Okay, it's called mini package AC. Okay, also, or we can say window AC. And this is the carrier brand. Okay, and the origin is China. Okay, and you can see here there is some technical specification is given for this units in the in the carrier China brand. There are two actually, 1.5 ton and 2 ton. The maximum tonnage for window AC is 2 ton only. So you can see here, this is the technical specification. The window room air conditioner, and the unit size is nothing but the cooling capacity. And here is the model number 51KWF018 HMF. 18 is nothing but the 18,000 BTU, 18,000 BTU per hour. And here is the same 51, only the difference is the here 24. That means this 24,000 BTU per hour. Okay, so this is 2 ton and this is 1.5 ton. You can see here, this is the unit size, that is nothing but the cooling capacity TR. In the TR, this is 1.5 ton and 2 ton. If you see here in BTU per hour, it is given here 18,000 BTU per hour, and here is 23,000 BTU per hour. This is the units. Okay, and at T1 there are two temperature actually, T1 and T3. T1 is nothing but the unit performance is at 35 degree ambient, and T3 is nothing but at 50 degree ambient. Okay, so at T1, when T1 is nothing but the standard unit, and T3 is nothing but the selected or selected unit. Okay, or customized unit you can say. And this is in watt. If you convert this tonnage into watt, you will get it here 5.275 watt, and here is 6.741 watt. So how to convert this? Just multiply into 10 3.5. So 1.5 into 3.5. We just verifying. Okay, so in the kilowatt, 5.25 here you can see 5.25. Here is the 5.275. And in the same way, if you convert this 2 kilowatt into watt, you will get it here 5275. Here is the 5.2. That means you have to in kilowatt. Okay, so you have to multiply with 1000. So it will be 5250 kilowatt, 5250 kilowatt. And similarly, you can convert these also in kilowatt or watt. Just multiply into 3.5, and then you have to multiply into 1000. That means you can convert this in kilowatt or watt. Okay, so cooling capacity at T3 temperature also given here in BTU per hour and watts. At T3, when the ambient temperature is increased, the cooling capacity of AC will decrease. You can see here the cooling capacity is, it will give 15,746 BTU per hour, and 2 ton will give cooling effect at 20,350 BTU per hour. In the watt it also decrease. Okay, and the power supply power requirement is voltage, phase and hertz frequency. Okay, so 220 to 40 volt and single phase and 50 hertz is required for this window AC. Total system power, that is nothing but the power input at T1. If this AC will run at T1, then it will give 1950 watts, and 210 will give 2500 watt. At T3 it will give 2392 and 3106 watts. So EER is nothing but the energy efficiency ratio. That is nothing but the star. Okay, so number of star will increase, the EER will increase, and if the star rating will decrease, so EER will also decrease. So more EER is more EER will good. More EER will more efficient. Okay, and energy efficient. That means will take less power. So whenever you went to purchase the AC, you will look for the EER. Okay, energy efficiency ratio, the number of stars. So it will depend. It will depend the uses. If you're using the more AC, that means your usage is yearly will be more. So you have to look for the better star of AC. If you use 3 to 4 months in a year, then you can go for the 3 star or 2 star. Because if you will take the 5 star AC, 5 star rating, the initial cost of the AC unit will be high, but running cost will be less. But you are using only 3 months in a year. That means this you're not using more. That means you cannot save more running cost. That means this power supply power bijli this current bill. Okay, so current bill in 3 months you cannot save that much, but initial cost will be high, so you can go for 3 star AC. The 3 star AC will be the less initial cost, also running cost will be less. If your running if your requirement is 11 month 10 month in a year, so you can go for the 5 star. That means you running the AC, that means you are saving the energy cost, and you are paying the initial cost more higher than the 3 star. So the airflow at high and low level is given here in the CFM 401 and 303, and for the 2 ton 495 and 400. The net weight, that means this the weight of this AC is 54 kg only, and for this one 63 kg, and the dimension is also given here. The width, depth and height in mm. So width is 660, depth is 428, and height is 580. Similarly for this also is given here. It is same, only the height is little bit lengthy. So I hope you guys learn. And also here the compressor is also compressor, and its types is given here. In this AC booth there is rotary compressor. Okay, and the refrigerant is R410. R410 is nothing but the environmental friendly refrigerant, that is HFC, hydrofluorocarbon, in the family of HFC. Okay, R410. But the discharge pressure of this gas is too high, so it is safety wise it is less, not good. But this most of the time, but nowadays most of the places we are using only R410 and R407. So I hope you guys learn about the Windows AC and its technical specification. So in the next tutorials we will continue with this other AC. That means we'll continue for this. You can see this is the installation image. This is installed inside the cabin, okay, porta cabin, and this is the outer view and this is the inside view. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. So next tutorials I will explain you about this split AC and its technical specification. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you, bye bye.